Top 5 2024 Favorite Books for 2-Year-Olds. When it comes to selecting books for 2-year-olds, popular choices feature bright illustrations, engaging rhymes, and interactive elements that foster early learning skills. Here are 5 best-selling books for toddlers that will spark joy and curiosity, perfect for cozy holiday reading or everyday fun. There's a Monster in Your Book by Tom Fletcher. This interactive book invites toddlers to help remove a pesky monster from its pages by shaking, spinning, and even blowing on the book. The story's playful tone engages kids as they actively participate in the story. With easy-to-follow instructions, it builds fine motor skills and engages toddlers' imaginations as they move along with the monster's antics. The drawback? It's so much fun that kids often want to read it multiple times in one sitting. Llama Holiday Drama by Dewdney. Dewdney's beloved Llama series is a staple for young children, and this holiday edition introduces toddlers to the festive season, with Llama feeling a bit overwhelmed by all the holiday chaos. The rhyming text and relatable storyline make it a comforting read for kids who might experience similar excitement. Parents find it relatable too, but some might feel that the repetitive structure could make it less engaging over time for certain toddlers. However, it's still a heartwarming pick for any toddler's holiday collection. Goodnight Construction Site by Sherri Rinker. Perfect for vehicle-loving toddlers, this classic bedtime book brings the world of construction vehicles to life as each truck goes to sleep after a hard day's work. The simple rhymes paired with captivating illustrations give it a calming rhythm that's ideal for bedtime. For families who may have read it many times, its predictability could lead to decreased excitement, but the appeal of vehicles keeps young readers coming back for more. Spaghetti, an interactive recipe book by Lotta Nieminen. This unique book turns the act of reading into an interactive culinary adventure where kids cook spaghetti by following steps such as adding ingredients or stirring with the pull tabs. It's fantastic for sensory development and fostering a love of cooking. Parents love the mess-free kitchen experience, though it might be better suited for gentle readers who can handle the book carefully to avoid wear and tear on the moving parts. Find Fergus by Boldt. This humorous hide-and-seek book challenges toddlers to spot Fergus the bear, who isn't very good at hiding. With lively illustrations and silly situations, it encourages observational skills and has plenty of replay value. The surprise fold-out page at the end offers a delightful ending, though the humor may go over the heads of very young toddlers. Overall, it's a fun, lighthearted story that resonates with budding problem solvers. These top books of 2024 combine interactivity, storytelling, and relatable themes, making them enjoyable and developmentally beneficial. Whether you're building a home library or gifting a 2-year-old, these choices offer excellent starting points for learning and joy.